Good morning, everyone. I hope all are fit and fine. Students, as you know, today is your SST video day. So, today we are going to explain chapter number 4 map reading exercise. Now, we start the exercise. First is a representation or drawings of a part on earth surface on a flat surface according to scale is called a representation or a drawing of a part of the earth surface की representation या drawing on a flat surface. What it is called? It is called map. Next, a small scale map shows. A small scale map shows large area with less detail. Now, which of the following is an intermediate direction? Which of the following is the intermediate direction? There are 4 intermediate direction and 4 cardinal direction. Intermediate direction is northeast, northwest, southeast or southwest. And cardinal north, west, east, south. Now answer is there is intermediate direction is northwest. Now fourth, a map showing the distribution of industries is a. इंडस्ट्रीज़ को कौन से मैप पे शो किया जाता है? इट इज़ ऑन थीमेटिक मैप. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स आर शोन ऑन अ फिजिकल मैप? फिजिकल मैप पे क्या शो किया जाता है? वी ऑल नो दैट लैंडफॉर्म्स, रिवर्स. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट ड्रॉन टू ट्रू टू स्केल? जो ड्राइंग है जो स्केल के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होती है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड स्केच. The ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map, it is called what it is called scale. जो actual distance को map पे show करती है. Now filling the blanks. First filling the blanks is dash is a true model of the earth. We all know that globe is the true model of the earth. The first book of maps was made by. First book of maps, it means atlas. किसने बनाई थी? It is his Mercator. Scale is the ratio between. Scale क्या है? Between the ratio of distance on a map and distance on the ground. Fourth, the dash is vertically above the north pole. With what it is? It is pole star. जो pole star है, it is vertically above the north pole. Fifth, dash map shows small areas with greater detail. Dash map shows small area and greater detail. It is large scale map. A map without a scale is called without scale क्या कहलाता है? It is sketch. Now the very short questions. Question number 1. What is a map? Map is a true representation of the earth on a flat surface. Second question, define globe. Globe is the exact model of the earth. Who is cartographer? Cartographer is a person who make or draw maps. Question number 4. What is an atlas? Atlas is a book of maps. Name the 3 types of maps. First is political map, second is physical map, third is thematic map. Now, this is the chapter number 3, motion of the earth. First multiple choice question is the annual movement of the earth round is the sun. There are 2 movements of the earth. First is movement around on its axis, and second movement of the earth round the sun. Movement of the earth round on its axis is called rotation, and earth round the sun, it is called revolution. Second, direct rays of the sun fall on the Tropic of Cancer. It is on 21st June. The phenomena of change of season is caused due to जो सीजन्स चेंज होती हैं वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग होती है, कौन सी मोमेंट है अर्थ की, इट इज़ रेवोल्यूशन. अ लीप ईयर हैज़, लीप ईयर हाउ मैनी डेज, इट इज़ 366 days. Which of the following is called land of the midnight sun? Which place is called land of midnight sun? It is North Cape in Norway. Now, 6. On which the following days the day and nights are equal duration throughout the world? On which date? On which date? On 21st March and 23rd September. The Tropic of Capricorn receive the direct rays of the sun. ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न जो सन रेज हैं वो डायरेक्ट ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न पे कौन सी डेट को पड़ती हैं, इट इज़ ऑन 22nd December. नाउ द ट्रू फॉल्स. फर्स्ट इज द इक्वेटर एक्सपीरियंसेस 6 months ऑफ डे लाइट ड्यूरिंग समर. जो इक्वेटर लाइन है वहाँ पर 6 months के लिए समर में क्या होता है, डे लाइट होता है. इट इज़ फॉल्स. Now the second, on summer solstice, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the Tropic of Cancer. Yes, जो समर सोल्स्टिस होता है उस टाइम पे जो सन रेज होती है वर्टिकली ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पे फॉल करती हैं. इट इज़ ट्रू. थर्ड इज़ February in a leap year has 29 days. Yes, it is true. लीप ईयर में फरवरी में 29 days होते हैं, मंथ जो होता है. Fourth, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator on 21st March. Yes, जो डायरेक्ट रेज होती हैं सन की वो इक्वेटर पे ऑन विच डेट फॉल करती हैं, 21st March. Now, the speed of the Earth revolution along its orbit is 29.6 km per second. Yes, this is the speed of Earth revolution. Now the second, last, the speed of the Earth's rotation at equator is approximately 1600 km per hour. और जो अर्थ की जो रोटेशन है इक्वेटर पे वो 1600 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से है. Now student, this is the exercise of chapter number 3 and 4. Watch this video carefully and fill in your book. Learn these exercises. Thank you, students.